I can take care of it if you take care of it.
Yeah, man, take it.
Um,
You take you on your relax.
yeah, bro, see.
So I draw a fire upon it. No, whoop up to your flame, son.
Flame, yo. Yeah, man, see that, peeps? Breadfruit, pretty. Mm. Jump out with my slippers.
I'll get worried in the idea. I don't know, yesterday, actually, the kind of feel like I'll get from. It is kind of from the local school, but like, go right on the side. After I can't do it. I'll get to the stand. Look, I put your money on. No, you see, it's underneath it, you make it, yeah, you make it blaze. You make it blaze, that one. Oh, take this one underneath it. That's how I like. Make it blaze, make it cold. Cold, yeah, yeah. Cold, yeah.
Take care of it if you take care of it.
Yeah, man, take it. You take you on your relax.
Yeah, bro, see.
So I draw a fire upon it. No, whoop up to your flame, son.
Flame, yo. Yeah, man, see that, peeps? Breadfruit, pretty.
What you say? You just turn.
Yeah.
So it look like burn.
Right. You look like you actually come out. Look like you can come out.
Yeah, who wants it?
Yeah, make it so come out.
Yeah.
You outside, my actually.
Outside, you look black. Yeah, but the inside died. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's the breadfruit, yeah. Oh, and it's tough. Oh. If you slide right through now, you know, so it's good.
But you can't put that one up on video.
Yeah. Yeah. Spot. Put your video, Spot. Yeah. Spot love camera. Come, Spot. Yeah. Yeah, man, you love ramping. Man. Yeah, man, so them plate, yeah. Yeah, man, so them plate, look a bit. Come, Spot. Come. Come. Colors, come. The food now looking at, man. Yeah, man, no plate empty, nothing night. Yeah, man, so checking back with the video where the breadfruit actually finished still. As we said, just our breadfruit are roast still. They want to do some saltfish, but saltfish kind of out of reach at the moment. Yeah, man, so when the breadfruit done roast, they actually show you what it actually look like. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Yeah, man, that is spot right there. That is cool nose. Yeah, man, you always have put a nose pan here. Yeah, man, I have survivor. But I don't know how to survivor like survivor. Like he have mange, I try to catch him for. Come survivor, come. Come. Yeah, man, wild. Yeah, man, so me have a little pine tree I see him with. In my yard and my plant. I ready it still, but you don't know. You have a creative same way. Yeah, man, so a pine. All I want to see so come big, so you so feel him live and big. Yeah. Yeah, man,
Our breadfruit's already still. Only fire on fix. Shit. My breadfruit so can't come out. Corners. Yeah man, so my bird my peeps. They're called pigeons. Yeah, want some water, you know, still drink off whole like water. I feed them, it's still, I go feed them when I finish. Afraid them, not tremble. Yeah man, think government, give thanks, health and strength. You know, mint tree, I see them in my yard peeps. Yeah man, nice and flourishing, you know. Yeah. Well, I wish I feel man. I alone, I wish I had on. It's a peering up peeps. Well, you know, pigeon they actually them peer up. Yeah man. So I think this one, that one right here, so, and that one can make it on the camera. And this one I think them actually peer. Yeah. Yeah man, everybody have them somebody. Survival. Charger you. Oh, so oil. Spot. Wow. What's up? Yeah man, I bet you bet. On. Food in the oil. Breadfruit almost finished. Can give you another turn. Man, you can see the part I can actually have a little green on it. So you know, so there's a one little fire. And at the bottom, roast, you know, peeps. Hold on. Kick out the fire. Yeah, put that back on you. Fire coal on it. Upper smoke. Well, that is it. Oh, smoke. Yeah man, so when you pack it the kind of way, yes, you can get a finishing touch him. Yeah, yeah man, that is it. Bless upon yourself, you know. Top of the morning, peeps. Top of the morning. Yeah man, bless upon yourself. On the Sunday, you know. Yeah, man. The outside I just want breadfruit. Yeah. You want this one saltfish still, but No overdo it. Just a roast around breadfruit. I want with the show now. Still. Yeah. But we have one more video for those still. We just prep up. 6 minutes. Remember one of the young still. A big one, the one that's supposed to coconut. Make it pull it up and make it see it. The one that's supposed to turn coconut and jelly. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Simple living, yeah. Yeah man, peeps, see there? Breadfruit is ready for roast. From roast to fry. Yeah man, it's fry I go fry it, you know? Yeah man. See you night? Yeah man. Alright, so we're gonna peel the breadfruit and now still.
Burn too much.
Ooh.
Burn.
Burn, It look like so from the time when they did roll out at the time, I should actually take you.
Too much fire when they
Too much fire.
one side.
Oh. Wait, dog eat breadfruit by the way?
I eat it.
I don't eat everything. That is it.
Burn the side and burn.
Burn up. Alright, look like the breadfruit in the fire look a bit too long in the peeps. But they good still. Anyway you take it, it'll get eat. Anyway you take it.
Won't be it
It's hot.
food hot.
Hey, easy, yeah. Jaja, you. Hey, get out of my water. Come on. And then this offline night and engine. Yeah, man. One up yourself. Yeah man, in the meantime, so peeps, just remember to subscribe, share, like and comment, you know?
Cut it first.
Yeah man, that's right man.
Cut it, man. Cut it first.
Cut it.
Pretty,
Pretty I make it so. Yeah. Yeah man, all this nice without some butter, you know?
What?
Yeah. Yeah man.
Alright. Cool off like and slice it.
Yeah man. And yeah, from yourself peeps, I chef, you know? Yeah man, a big chef man, remember me tell you that. Yeah. That is it man. I really look like you out for fall team. See that, peeps? That is rain. Eh? Oh, it's salt. But he butter have salt in it.
No, it's too much butter.
Oh. Well, big off here. I come have the camera now, man. Just cut out one little piece and put in that plate. So that peeps go up a steam. Breadfruit roast. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna have this with it's a stick butter, real Jamaican style. Yeah, man. Naturally.
Tough man, it's in the fridge.
Yeah, fridge. Yeah.
It's not going to melt.
Oh, you have to put olive on him. And the heat, you kind of make it go around
But it's three in the
the fridge. Oh.
No, butter.
I call it Bushman style.
Countryman style.
Countryman style. Yeah, yeah. Butter kind of tough up on my peeps. People see them now. That's what chiffon should have.
That's the end up on the fridge.
Put a top on. Salt and breadfruit. Can't eat too much of this though. No salt, I would feel. Blood pressure, yeah.
Pick up a frying pan and fry some.
Yeah.
No, that's some nice breadfruit. Don't let me forward.
See your peeps. Breadfruit and butter. It's a countryman style. Oh. Deram para nesse, né? Vai, bota na mel todo está. Bota na mel todo, peeps. Should put in the fridge. Well, can't include my video. That's what I mean. Yes, peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I know some rough marsh here, man. There is no wash here, man. Yeah, well, the plan for the video still, but there's some roast of one breadfruit, and just one video, one vibes. father. Yeah, man. Pick him up, you know. Yeah, man. So anyway, peeps, until the next video, just remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, you know. Yeah, man. And just keep blessed. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. One love.